Eastern Auto and Cycles. My channel's a DIY. Work on a little bit of everything. Cars, trucks, motorcycles, weld, metal fabrication. As you can see today, we have a lot of projects in the shop today. Got a Sportster 1200 motor we're redoing here. Got to redo the electric. It was caught in a fire. Burn up a lot of the motorcycle. Got a nice little Suzuki we just built here. Bobbed it out. Blacked everything out. Drag bars. Currently for sale. Back again today. Got working on the engine here. Got a nice little diagram there. It's a good thing to do when working on vehicles and stuff. If you're not so sure, don't just throw it in a bag. Don't throw it in a coffee can. Make your little diagram of the part and what it looks like. Place the bolts exactly where they're supposed to go so you know. Some bolts are different lengths. Could be a different size. It's the best thing to do is just make your little diagram. Like you got up here at the top, you can label it. Missed it. Up here at the top, you can label it. Then you got all your bolts around and everything for your primary cover, for your Sportster. Got a nice set of pistons here. Front piston, the rear piston, and you got your cylinders for your Sportster. You can see there they had a little bit of rust on the inside. You can see just a little bit of rust there. This one here you can't really see, but let's see if we can get this turned around here so you can actually see. Maybe just a little bit of that pitting. Seemed like when this thing caught on fire, the guy may have just left it outside and it got a little rain down in it, a little water. Just normal. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get them cleaned up, freshen back up, and get some new pistons and some new rings. Got your primary cover here. Got your primary and your primary chain. A little bit of a mess in here. We'll get that cleaned up. Got a brand new starter, brand new battery box. Don't mind the mess. Got a lot of good stuff here. It's gonna be going back in. Needs ignition coil. Starter switch, everything else, everything's gone. Starter relay. Pretty much a naked bike.